since entering the tractor business in 1977. LS Mtron has been a leader in the global agricultural machinery industry. With a factory that produces more than 30,000 tractors a year, based in Jeonju, Korea, we have established production and sales bases in the US, Brazil, and China. We have grown into a global, comprehensive agricultural solutions company with a sales network of more than 500 sites in more than 40 countries around the world. In 2009, we established LS Tractor USA, the world's largest agricultural region. We have since expanded our capabilities to reach more customers. And today, through a network of over 300 dealers in North America, we sell thousands of tractors every year. We have distribution facilities located throughout the United States, in Louisiana and California, as well as our headquarters located in Brattleboro, North Carolina. As our production capacity continues to grow, further enhancements to manufacturing capabilities will be centered around our newest factory in Texas. LS Mtron has established a diverse lineup, ranging from 20 horsepower subcompact tractors to agricultural tractors pushing over 100 horsepower. Through our state-of-the-art self-driving technology, SmartTrack, as well as our remote control technology, iTractor, we are leading innovations in agriculture. And we are currently developing proprietary engines and implements for uses beyond just our tractors. We believe that continuous education about our products and services is an important part of our dealer network success. That's why our annual dealer conference features top-tier programs, aiming to provide our dealers with a comprehensive understanding of our products. We believe that through effective communication, we can promote better direction. Our dealers take great pride in our brand, and customers can expect the highest level of service from them. We are pioneering new paths that no other tractor brand has ventured into. We have partnered with the popular camouflage brand, Mossy Oak Gamekeepers, known for their strong commitment to land conservation, which strongly aligns with LS Tractor's agricultural values. Through this partnership, LSTA has produced a limited edition camo tractor. We will never stop challenging ourselves to continue creating new and innovative designs that fit the needs of our customers. With our extensive database built over long years of experience, LS Mtron is taking another leap forward as an agricultural innovation company, constantly working to improve your future with total agricultural solutions for a more abundant life. Start blue. Stay blue. LS Tractor.